Top traders, welcome back to Trade of the Week. This week we traded GBP/USD and EUR/USD. As you all know, we earned a massive profit on our last week trade. We earned about 212 pips on our last week trade on GBP/USD and EUR/USD. And this week we decided to trade EUR/USD and GBP/USD too. And GBP/USD gained a massive pips because it traded so high this week. Now, this is profit pairs. What we do here at profit pairs is that we empower entrepreneurs, we empower aspiring traders and aspiring entrepreneurs, and we also empower the elite entrepreneurs and also the elite traders. How do we do that? We bring your challenges as an aspiring trader to our connection, and we bring your success stories as an elite trader to our network to share them to people that want to hear, to learn from your lessons, and to also use them to educate yourself. Now, in case you're not following us on Profit Pairs Instagram, then follow us on Profit_Pairs. It's written on this video. Follow us on Profit_Pairs on Instagram, and in case you're not following us on Beyond the Chat, follow us on Explore Beyond the Chat on Instagram. And in case you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to click on the subscription button right now and click the link on the bio to join us on Trade Smartphone in case you're not joined yet. So go with me on this video to show you how we traded and why the market trended so high this week. I hope you join the trend, but if not, just watch me to see and make sure you join in the next week trade. And we also go live every Wednesday, so join us on Trade Smartphone to catch up anytime we send an alert. Thank you. Keep on watching. Now, this is Coca-Cola. Get yourself a Coca-Cola and sit down, watch how we end this week.
USD. On weekly time frame, we identified supply and demand zone. Then, after confirming the trend as a ranging market structure, we switched to the daily time frame to get more information. Daily time frame to get more information. On daily time frame, we found out that the trend changed character to a bearish form, which was confirmed at 1.1200 price to 1.021345 down to the demand zone. Price broke out at this area, reversing back to 1.1002. Then on the 4 hours time frame, we confirmed our entry strategy, which is trend breakout, pullback, and trend continuation. And then we moved to 1 hour time frame on the 4th of March 2025 at 1 o'clock p.m. after confirming a trend reversal and consolidation at the demand zone. We waited patiently on Monday. We didn't even enter the trade because we are waiting for a clear entry. We're waiting for the trend to tell us what to do before we jump into the market. Because when you jump into the market without a clear direction, the market jumps you out immediately. So, we waited for a clear entry before we entered the trade. Price moved quickly to 1.0600 resistance zone and broke out, pulled back, and continued. Now, with this strategy, we confirmed our entry immediately on Tuesday morning, reaching down to 1:30 p.m. when we entered our trade. And on Wednesday morning, we confirmed another trade, and on 1:30 p.m. we entered another trade. And these trades gave us 100 pips, and on Wednesday it gave us 150 pips on EUR/USD. So that's it for EUR/USD. Now, let's analyze GBP/USD. On GBP/USD, the price almost looked alike, but we have to do a proper analysis before we enter the trade. Now, remember that the market have to give you a signal before you put on the entry. GBP/USD pair has been ranging since September 2024. At the weekly time frame, we trace the demand at the supply zone. And moving forward, there was also a change of character at 1.3200, which confirmed the bearish trend from 1.3200 to 1.21896, where there was another change of character. Moving forward to the daily time frame, the trend reversed at 1.21896 demand zone. It was reversing quickly after consolidation at the demand area, reached 1.3200 supply or resistance zone. On 4 hours time frame, an inverse head and shoulder pattern. You mark that out. Remember, the trend has to tell you what to do before you move into the market. Now, we waited for the trend to tell us exactly what to do. How did we do that? Now, watch on this zone and find out what happened. Once you see what happened, comment it below. Now, but I'm going to give you a glimpse of what happened there. As you can see, a trend was trying to consolidate. You can see a trend consolidation around that zone at 1.25444. Trend consolidated and consolidated and finally created a small resistance zone out there. Can you see it? Okay. And we marked it out as a resistance zone, and immediately it broke out. On 1 hour time frame, we entered the trade after a pullback. Note this. Confirm a trend after a pullback, breakout, and you find out that the trend is going to continue. Once you find out a candle, a continuation candle, such as engulfing candle, pin bar, or an inside bar. So we confirmed an inside bar at this support area, and after that, we entered our trade at 1:30 p.m. exactly on 1 hour time frame. This trade gave us 120 pips, and the trend continued bullish. And on Wednesday, which is 5th of March 2025, we earned about 100 pips, and that was it. This was how we earned on GBP USD and Euro USD on this week. So if you're not following us on Instagram, make sure to follow us on profits_pairs. And if you're not subscribed yet on our YouTube channel, make sure to click on the subscription button. This is your host for Beyond the Charts. Make sure to send us a DM if you have a challenge and vibe with us on Beyond the Charts. See you guys on the next week. Bye.